This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, 2010-2015 in the US. And the majority of cars in the US, they were sold with the 6-speed automatic transmission. They were manual, but only some of them, and most of them were 6-speed automatic transmission, 6T30. This is the 6T30 General Motors transmission. Quite good, quite reliable, but of course it still has some common issues that I want to quickly tell you about. So the transmissions are overall quite good. They don't cause a lot of problems, especially if you service them well. And when it comes to servicing, there is one thing you need to remember. The manufacturer says it's 100,000 miles a service interval, oil change, fluid change interval, and later models they were 60,000 miles, so you need to look at the service book. But anyway, experts recommend changing fluid in this transmission once every 40,000 miles. It's changed without the filter because the filter is located near the fluid pump inside the transmission, and to change the filter you will need to take off the transmission, take off the torque converter, take off the fluid pump, and only then you will have the access to the filter. So the filter is not changed usually, and only when the transmission is rebuilt. So you need to change the fluid more often in order to avoid contamination of that expensive filter. The filter is not expensive, but it's very expensive to replace. So this is the problem number one. Then these transmissions tend to overheat. They tend to overheat quite seriously, and owners have the solution for that. They install additional cooler. I don't have it installed in this car, since I didn't have the problem with overheating. But if your transmission overheats, it starts punching, it starts jerking when you drive, and you have the messages of overheating, just install this additional cooler. It's a very, very good idea to do that and to prolong the life of your transmission. The fluid will not burn, the fluid will serve better and longer. And that's actually all. So there are a lot of common problems, and these transmissions can last up to 200,000 miles if they are maintained properly. If you change oil once every 40 or maybe 50,000 miles, they are going to last quite a lot. And also don't forget about overheating. Overheating is a bad problem for them.